Hello folks, in today's video a good friend of mine, great guy, he is going to be showing us a few of the steps when you go to kill a hog. Alrighty, that there is the hog scalding vat. You put your water in there, and then after you shoot the hog and you've bled it out, you'll stick it over in there to get the hair off of it. Got to get up bright and early and get the fire started. It takes a good while to get the water heated up. Jason said that the temperature that he's found it works the best is 157 degrees. And he said it's a whole lot easier to cool the water off than it is to heat it up. So just keep that in mind. Alright, one of these days we'll have to go up there and let Jason show us a little bit of this here. Now there's a lot of work that goes into this, folks, but the end result, gosh, it's good. Alrighty. Why, looky there, there's Mr. Gus. We've got two Gus's in these videos today. You know he's going to be a good farmer there growing up. Look how clean the sides of them hogs are. He got an excellent scald on them, folks. Look how pretty that is. And there's the other Mr. Gus. I told you we had two Gus's here today. Alrighty. And then to finish this video out, Carolyn's gonna can a little bit of sausage. Just pack it down in there. Now take her a towel, wipe the top of them jars off. That way that rubber seal meet up with the glass good. If you don't do that, folks, there's a good chance it won't seal right. Alrighty, now she's putting her flats on top of there, and then she'll screw her rings on. Alrighty, and then she's going to can this here, since it's pints, for 75 minutes, and then you just check whatever the pressure you need to use for your altitude, folks. It's 90 minutes for quarts, 75 minutes for pints when it comes to meat like that there. Alright, look how pretty that is. Alrighty, folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hit the little bell notification. And I'd like to thank Jason for sharing these pictures with us. Like I said, folks, great guy. You all have a blessed day. We'll be seeing you soon. Thank you again for watching.